Hi guys, this is the video that I made to know that if the Nifty returns follow a normal distribution curve or not. So for that I took the weekly data of the Nifty from the Yahoo Finance for the last 12 years. So from today, that is 2019 till 2007 data I have in the sheet. So for the analysis part, yeah. So this is the analysis part. The mean for that is 0.13%. The standard deviation is quite high, 2.9%, that is near about 3%. And skewness is minus 0.16, which suggests that it is slightly skewed. And kurtosis is 4.26, which suggests it's dampened as compared to the normal distribution curve. So the total number of observations is 661, as you can see here. So for that, I followed the normal distribution. I made the bar graph based on the frequencies and how many times that Nifty return has taken place. So this bar chart I made it using this table, which I made using the pivot table. So you can see the blue is the bar chart that tells about the actual returns, how the actual returns follow, and the orange line is the normal distribution. So what would be the normal distribution if the mean and standard deviation would be same like this? So we can see here that left hand side the negative values are outside the normal distribution, so there are more negative values than the normal distribution suggests. From this, we cannot say that conclusively that our data does not follow normal distribution. And for that, I did some statistical analysis. I used Jagg-Bera test to do that. And in Excel, it was quite tough to do that. So I used Python for that. And in Python, I just simply added, and that's the beauty of Python. You just have to write one line of code and that's it. So I imported the data here and used Jagg-Bera test, and the hypothesis of null hypothesis of Jagg-Bera test is that your data is normally distributed. And if we can reject the null hypothesis, then it means that our data is not normally distributed. So if the p-value is less than 0.05, then we can say that our distribution is not normally distributed. But if it's greater than that, then we can not we can say that it is normally distributed. So I imported scipy.stats and did the Jagg-Bera test, and the p-value was 0.0. That means it was really low, really low. So that means that I can reject the null hypothesis and say that the data does not follow the normal distribution. So what does that mean? That means that when we use the normal distribution for our analysis in the stock market or for index analysis to find the downside risk or VAR, anything, it's fallacious. Whenever you are doing that type of analysis, make sure that you do not use these type of statements conclusively.